Um, Shalom. Like all praise to close to Yahweh, by Shem, Yahweh, by Shem, Crocodile, and that elders and apostles of Shem, Matthew, to the word for the truth for fulfilling the oath. Please, I tell you for the hopefully one to the left, whoever I'm Brother Kabal, coming on last it. Uh, Today edification is about the Sabbath. So, the Sabbath is like, any day of the week. Yeah, I've been on here on what the Sabbath it's all about. I'm going to start at Exodus chapter 16, verse 33. And he said unto them, this is that which the Lord shall say is marvel is the rest of the holy Sabbath unto the Most High. Bake that which is he will bake today, and see that he will see and keep that which remain overlay up for you to keep until the morning. Yeah. That be like evening to evening. No, what that not be done. I'm going to Exodus chapter 16 verse 35. And Moses said, eat that today, for today is a Sabbath unto the Most High. Today he shall not find it in the field. So yeah, the Sabbath is for the Most High. The Sabbath is not for a rest, a day of rest. Exodus chapter 16, verse 26. 6 days he shall gather it, but on the seventh day with the Sabbath, there shall be, and it there shall be none. Yeah. Like you go out, like you do last year for the whole week, but we hit the Sabbath, it's a day of rest. I'm gonna go on to Exodus chapter 16, verse 29. See that the Most High has given you the Sabbath, therefore he given you on the sixth day the prayer of today. And why he every man in his place, let no man go out of his place on the Sabbath. But yeah, no man not be called outside on the Sabbath. Okay, it's a day of rest. Exodus chapter 20, verse 8. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. So what a lot of people not doing. They're not remembering a lot of people not remembering the Sabbath, or they're not keeping it holy. Okay, I'm gonna go to Exodus chapter 20, verse 10. But the Sabbath day is the Sabbath of the Most High. Thou shalt hallow it is, thou shalt not do any work, thou nor the son, nor thy daughter, nor the master, nor thy master, nor thy castle, nor thy stranger that within the case. Yeah. In the Sabbath, not put you any rogues, because it's a day of rest, not put you going on lessons, how you can tell, I think the Sabbath was your, what day, what is that today? If I'm not mistaken. Let me see, what the Sabbath? Okay. So, the Sabbath was on Tuesday. Okay, look, the Sabbath was on Tuesday. Today is May 1st. April 1st. Okay, I'm going to Exodus chapter 20, verse 11. For in the sixth day of the Lord made the heaven and earth and the sea and all that is in them, and rested the seventh day. Wherefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and allowed it. Yeah, the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and allowed it. But as you see, a lot of people follow the Sabbath when they don't know that the Sabbath it's a day of rest. You know, with the Most High blessed. Okay, I'm gonna go through Exodus chapter 31, verse 15. 6 days may work be done, but in the Sabbath is the Sabbath of rest, holy of the Sahara, holy to the Most High. Whosoever does any work in the Sabbath day, he shall surely be put to death. Yeah, you don't got nothing to do. So you put to follow the Sabbath for the best of your ability. You know? Exodus chapter 31, verse 16. Wherever the children of Israel shall keep the Sabbath to observe the Sabbath throughout their generation for a perpetual covenant. You supposed to keep the day of the Sabbath. You supposed to keep the day of the Sabbath for generation from generation. But back to Exodus chapter 31, verse 15. I'll read that again. The 6th day may work be done, but in the Sabbath is the Sabbath of rest, holy in the built in the Most High. Whosoever does any work in the Sabbath day, he shall surely be put to death. You do any work on the Sabbath, you shall be put to death because it's a day of rest. But the Lord know your period. The Lord know your period. You gotta go to work or anything. The Lord will know your period. Because the Sabbath lasts on any day. The day you gotta go to work, the Lord know your period. The Most High know your period. You know, you gotta go to work. I'm gonna go to Exodus chapter 53, verse 3. He shall kindle no fire to ask your habitation upon the Sabbath day. I'm gonna go to what a precept out. I'm gonna go to Leviticus chapter 23, verse 32. And it shall be unto you a Sabbath of rest, and he afflicted your soul in the 9th day of the month at even, from the even unto evening, shall he celebrate your Sabbath. Yeah. From even to even, shall he celebrate your Sabbath. The Sabbath. If I'm not mistaken, from evening to evening, yeah. Yeah. Just keep the one law. Keep the Sabbath. Remember to keep the Sabbath holy. I'm gonna go to Leviticus chapter 24, verse 8. Every Sabbath he shall set it in order for the Most High, continually bring taken from the children of Israel by an everlasting covenant. And the Sabbath is everlasting. You know, I'm going to Leviticus chapter 52, verse 2. Leviticus chapter 25, verse 2. Speak unto the children of Israel and say unto them, when he come into the land which I give you, then when I give you, then he. Let me read that again. Leviticus chapter 25, verse 2. Speak unto the children of Israel and say unto them, when he come into the land where I kill, then he Yah the land keep the Sabbath unto the Most High. Yeah. Yeah, the land of the children of Israel. If you guys have to keep the Sabbath for the best of our ability, but when the new kingdom comes, we still gotta keep the Sabbath. You know? Yeah, when the Sabbath, keep it holy. I'm gonna go to Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 2. Keep the Sabbath day to sanctify it as the Most High, that Yahweh has commanded that. Yeah, you better keep the Sabbath holy. You want the Sabbath? Keep it holy, right now I'm taking. Roughly paraphrasing it. Okay, I'm gonna go to Jackie King, verse 11, verse 5. And he commanded them, saying, "This is the thing that he shall do, a third part of you that enter on the Sabbath, shall know the keepers of the watch of the king's house." And I'm going to 1 King, Jackie King, verse 16, verse 18. In the comfort of the Sabbath that they have built in the house of the king in Zion without stone, he from the house of the Most High of the king of Israel. I'm going to 2 Corinthians chapter 36, verse 21. To fulfill the word of the Most High by the mouth of Jeremiah, until the land had assured her Sabbath, for as long as she lay these wallets, she kept the Sabbath to fulfill the course for 10 years. It better talk about how people just keep the Sabbath, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go to Isaiah chapter 66, verse 33, and it shall come to pass that from one new moon to another, and from the Sabbath to another, shall all flesh come to worship before me, says the Most High. Yeah, you know, when we get a new moon, you know, it usually called like the Sabbath, and then the Sabbath, you know? No. But as you look, the sunshine in Chicago, we're gonna show sunshine on March, what that was, 34th? What that was, let me go to my calendar. It was March 31st. We'll go back to Google, we'll go back March 31st. 2020, oh shit, 2020, oh my, okay. Yo, the judge was, Sabbath 16, on the Sabbath, on March 31st, they were roughly Saturday in Chicago. I'm a brush. King James Version. Okay. Yeah. On Exodus 20, Exodus 20 for 8 to 10. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Just that no labor into any role, but the Sabbath is the Sabbath of the Most High, that's Yahweh. You know? Well, yeah. No, what not be done. It's a day of rest. You know? But the Lord know your period. You gotta go to work or anything. Like you got a job to do. The Lord know your period. I'm gonna go to another piece. I'm to another precept. I'm gonna go to Mark chapter 15 for 42. And now with the Mark chapter 15 for 42. And now when the events will come, because if what the preparation the prepare that is the day before the Sabbath. So yeah, you're supposed to prepare a day for the Sabbath though. I'm gonna go to all like with that being said, I'd like all praise close to Yahweh, Pashem, Yahweh, Pashem, Kakadar, and the elders and Apache of Chia Math for teaching word for the truth for fulfilling the oath. Peace out of the hopefully word or left who about them, I'm about to kapar, come on, last year. So I want to ask you,